Now let's start to really get down and drill down into some of the leads that we've created. So under the target tab, once again, just to recap, you went from inviting them into the acceptances tab, and then from the acceptances tab, you sent them a little custom acceptance message, and now you can move them between sales tracking and hot leads. Now within the sales tracking side, once again, you've already seen this tab that allows you to send custom messages and handover messages. But now let's go into tag this contact and make notes. What you can do, and once again using Andrew Springate as an example, you can click add tag. What you can then do is you can tag him, for example, great guy, and you can create a little tag, or you can say meeting, or you could say proposal sent, and proposal, which has already been created. Simply just type it in, click on the little blue. Let me do that for you one more time so you can, let's do meeting, for example. Click on the blue underneath it, click save, and now you've just tagged him as meeting. So you can see that. You can also add notes. Andrew is an amazing guy. Save note. And there you've now created a note on his profile as well. You can then delete those as well if you don't need them, and then go back to sales tracking. Now, tags are going to be used significantly, and you'll be able to see little tags that are being created here. They also get created when a particular message is being sent, but they also get created when somebody clicks on one of your links. And this is going to be using the tracking links that I showed you earlier. So these tags become a very, very important way for you to start drilling down into each particular prospect and remember who they are. Next time, I'm going to show you what these other tabs mean, and also how to set a reminder so that you can remember to do your follow-ups.